Welcome children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. This completes assignment. What is this assignment is all about? New words. In your sadhana book, you have new words. This is all the new vocabularies you are going to learn. And you have 2 columns there. Please practice with 2 times. You know, whatever the words are, 10 words are given, practice for 2 times there. The option is given there. You can practice and learn the vocabulary and learn the spellings. Right? But here, when you thorough with that vocabulary, you can easily understand what is this words. You have some scrambled words, but what you need to do, you have to unscramble them. When you unscramble them, you will know what is exactly that word is all about. Okay, shall we start? There is something like L-A-U-T-I. It is latitude or longitude. This is altitude. This is altitude. What is altitude? Altitude is nothing but height from above the sea level. Okay, what is the altitude of Mount Everest? So what is the height of the Mount Everest? So altitude is nothing but height from the above sea level. So what is this? Altitude. Latitude is different, altitude is different. Altitude, I said height. Okay, altitude. Okay, this is you have unscrambled the scrambled words here. This is altitude. Let me see what is this. Yeah, I can feel that this is something like barrier, Mount Barrier. You know, Himalayan mountains is like a barrier. It stops the cold winds enter into the Indian subcontinent. If there is no mountains there, we would be just like a European country. European countries extreme hot, cool weather, right? So the cool winds which are coming from Arctic to Asia, the Russia and the China, it enters into the Indian subcontinent. But what's stopping us? Himalaya ranges are stopping us. That acts as a barrier. Okay, it acts as a barrier. I think this is barrier. It's a barrier which stops like a big huge wall. Okay, yeah, coming to this, yeah, you know, longitudes also called as meridians, right? Longitudes also called as meridians. So I think this goes for meridian. This is meridian. Meridian. Yes, this goes for meridian. Now coming to the next one is looking like pictorial. Pictorial, India is called as tropical country. India is called as tropical country, right? So this, I think this goes for tropical. Let's see. India is a tropical country. Yeah, it is tropical, right. Now coming to the last one, with this we are going to conclude the assignment. Himalayas are blessed with snow, right? That is called abode of snow. Himalayas are abode of snow, means filled with the snow. So this is go for abode. This go for abode. Yeah, altitude, barrier, meridian, tropical, abode. So this comes, you can unscramble the words when you are thorough with the word. Okay, by seeing that, if you know that this word is resembles to that, you can know that this word is exactly that word and you can understand the meaning of that. So that comes when you keep on reading your textbook and underline the new words. Already new words are given in your sadhana book, practice that, and when you practice that, make sure that you are learning the spellings. Thank you children, thanks a lot.